Nababo kabalin, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to We're in Pampanga, where we promote products and services of businesses here in Pampanga. So for today's vlog, we would like to thank Caking Giant for sending us 3 amazing food boxes, and we're going to unbox them today. So just a little information about Caking Giant. I've checked out their fan page and they have been in the industry for a long time. They are producing really large cakes, if I may say, even for a celebrity occasion. So allow us to share some of their produced cakes. So there you have it, guys. Siguro nakita nyo na si Caking Giant sa mga prestigious events or even sa mga weddings na na-attendan nyo. But nonetheless, sa mga food products na pinadala nila sa atin for today, let us introduce them one by one. So for the first food box, we are going to introduce you guys. Ang tawag nila dito ay chocolate chip walnut cookie. So each cookie actually weighs 100 grams. This is like 3 inches in diameter. So sobrang laki niyan, ha? And then what's inside is dark Belgian chocolate. So next to introduce, guys, is called TANYA Loaf. So it is a chocolate cake base, chocolate glaze, caramel goo, and torch sugar topping. Whoa. So lastly to introduce, guys, ang tawag nila dito ay NSCC, which means no specific name chocolate cake. However, what's in it? It's a chocolate cake base, chocolate goo, and chocolate glaze topping. Wow. Let's open it. Again, it is so lovely. It's so, pretty. Napaka parang ang hirap niyang i-disform pagkakainin mo. Okay. There you go. Let me put this here. And then, voila. There you have it, guys. So, ano pang hinihintay natin? Tikman na natin to. So yun, guys, we were able to cut out a portion of these cakes and tikman na natin sila isa-isa. But before that, we would like to thank Caking Giant for sending us these amazing, sweets. Again, this is NSCC, no specific name chocolate cake. Wow. Let's proceed to the next cake before I give you my, obvious observations. So again, this is TANYA. Sabi nung description niya, the only tan you can get this summer. Dahil nga, di ba? Di pa tayo pwede sa mga, beach resorts. Why not get your tan from Caking Giant? TANYA. Wow. Oh, wow. Wow. Yun lang ang masasabi ko, guys. Wow. Grabe naman, kanyaman da. Okay, so lastly, guys, siguro mas manyaman yun yung ating kanter nung, hot coffee. Wow. 100-gram piece of cake. Probably the diameter is 3 inches, and then inside it, guys, chips of Belgian chocolate. Oh wow. Sarap. Wow! All that I can say, guys, is wow. Super premium cakes and cookies that are, you know, if I may say, really to die for, no? So for orders or inquiries, guys, we're gonna flash their fan page. They are also available via Papa and Grab Food. And then lastly, if you're interested to buy from them, these are really worth your money. Sobrang premium po ng mga products nila. I think these are just some. Yung pinakita naming mga products nila kanina, they can actually, you know, customize large cakes. So what are you waiting for, guys? Message their fan page, call the number, and enjoy these amazing cakes at the comfort of your home. Guys, thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next video, hope to see you there. Bye! There you go. Wow.